girl, Mama. They look like they could be hers more than hers did, huh? Don't you think?
Come on. Follow me, little ones. Come on.
Come back over here, Peg.
Come on. Come on.
Ah,
She's fine. She's just playing.
Kringle really likes you.
Come on.
Get him, Mama.
Kringle just wiped out. Bring him back over, Peg.
Mama.
All right, come here, Mama. Come here, baby.
Coral, come here.
Little one. Little one. Come on.
Yukon totally looks like he could be a Mama. Mama's gonna fall on the couch. Hey, Hermie. Oh, Cindy. Cindy's obsessed with behind the couch.
Ah.
What?
Careful, Peg.
What? Come on, little one. Go on, little one. Come here. Look, look.
Easy. Belly against belly.
Paul, I
job.
feel his,
You felt.
what?
You felt.
Feel,
I felt.
I felt
Uh-oh,
her
there goes-
rib cage.
Kringle. Kringle.
Kringle, Kringle.
Uh-oh.
What? What?
Nothing there. Just
What? What?
nothing. Ah, Mama Coral.
Come on.
Which one's this? That's
I'm gonna crack it.
yeah.
Emily. Come on, Emily.
Poor Yukon.
Emily. Emily. I haven't fun. Everyone wants me. Why?
They love you. Oh, here goes Kringle again. Kringle and Hermie.
Kringle, hurry. Where's Kringle?
Oh. Hey,
Come
that's
on.
why. Hey, hand me that tape. That's why they keep going back there. Stacey waited for me to go. She went to one of their bones.
Everyone. Come on.
They're starting to look like puppies and not sea otters.
Everyone, come
I love when they
on.
run.
He's so fast.
What happened, Mama?
I ran into her.
Bernard! Bernard, my tubby wobbas! Look at him. Look at him.
Run, Mama, run.
What does she have now?
Toy.
Come on. Come on. Come on, little
Babe, babe, babe.
one.
Yeah, belly to belly.
Emily wants your love.
Good girl, Mama.
Who is it?
She's just not being...
Is it Bernard?
Yeah.
No, it's Kringle. And Bernard.
Mama, come here, baby.
Oh, come over here.
Bernardo!
Come over here.
Bernard. Oh! Bernard.
Bobo. If you start being mean to them, you're going back inside.
Hey.
Come here, Boo.
Oh, Booby. Come on.
Come on, little one.
Oh, Kringle likes you, huh?
Come on. Come on.
Stay here, Booby.
Come on. That little one.
It's rear-end one around.
What?
Call Bernard. Bernard! I love watching Bernard run. Bernardo! Bernard! Here you go, Grace. Look.
Oh, no.
Come on, Bernard. Come
Good
on,
job,
Bernard.
Mama.
Bernard, when you run, watch him. Okay, watch him shake it. Bernard! Bernard!
Just wanna go
It's
outside.
right there.
Good job, Mama.
Stay here. You put yourself down there and stop it. Here you go. What's wrong, Cindy?